Hi friends, this is Nived. So in this video, I will teach you how you can develop a bot using Robocorp which actually helps to do the RPA data entry challenge. So these are things that you are going to learn while doing this tutorial. First, you can learn how you can do the browser automation in a basic way using Robocorp. Next, you will learn how you can use HTTP request activities in Robocorp to download a file from a URL, etc. Next, you will learn how you can do a simple Excel automation using Robocorp. So now let's see what actually the bot will do in this automation process. So first, the bot will go to this rpachallenge.com website. So after going to this rpachallenge.com website, first the bot has to download the Excel file by clicking on this download button. So after downloading the Excel file, you can see I already had downloaded the Excel file and the Excel file looked like this. Now what you can see here in this Excel file is there are different columns like first name, last name, company name, role in company, address, email and phone number. So what you have to do is you have to input these details in the corresponding field here. So prior to starting this challenge, like prior to starting to type these details in these fields, you have to click on the start button, which actually indicate that your RPA challenge is started. Now what you have to do, you have to take each row and from each row you extract the corresponding data and fill in the corresponding field. And after filling this in the corresponding field, you have to click on submit button. Now you can see that every time when you click on the submit button, the input field position changes. So your bot also has to accommodate this also. Now around 10 data are being provided here. So you have to input all this 10 data after every submit, and after doing all this data entry operation. Now what your bot has to do is, like after doing all the data entry operation, your bot has to take the screenshot of this success rate, like how much we have typed in what time we had completed the process, etc. Then the bot has to close this browser. So this is all what your bot has to do in this automation process. So now I will give you a quick demonstration of how the bot actually works. So for that, I already had developed a sample automation for this RPA challenge in the Robocorp Lab IDE. So let me show you how this actually works. Let me click on restart. So it is running. Now you can see that it is opening the RPA challenge website. Now you can see it will download the Excel file from the Excel button, and you can see it start typing the data into the field. As you can see, for every submit, the fields have been changing, but our bot is actually accommodating it. Yeah. So our bot has been successfully done the automation process, and now you can see that as a final step, the bot is taking a screenshot of the particular result that we had obtained. So you can see that it has taken the success rate screenshot, and we can see how much success rate is ours and in what millisecond we had completed this process. So this is actually a demonstration of our robot. So now we will see how we can develop this robot step by step in the upcoming video.